So what I have to do is I have to puree Maggie's food into a mousse, and then she'll lick it. She doesn't like to eat the bits. So this is the, I think it's a Royal Canin brand food. It's a renal food for cats in kidney failure, sadly. Comes in a chicken or a fish flavour. And I haven't verified that by tasting it myself, and I do not plan to. So she won't eat it all in one go. She'll probably have, I mean, she'll eat this in probably 3 or 4 sessions. And I'm trying to get at least one of these a day into her, and then topping it up with a whole bunch of cat treats. But since Maggie's been eating this, which has been the last few months, she has gone from a stage 3 to a high stage 2. So it has helped. So anyone that's got a cat with renal failure, I do suggest it. There you go. She's sort of getting a bit bored of it. Sometimes you've got to pull it away from her and then you give it back to her and then she'll go again. See that? It's like they need a little breather or a bit of a break. She's not looking too bad. Like, she's not fat. She's definitely not fat. She's not skinny. But, I mean, she's a bit puffed up because it's cold. Look at that pretty girl. Hello. Want some more? She's wondering, why does he keep taking it away? You can see where the ring is on the bowl. She's eaten a bit. And I know, look, it's a small bowl, and I know her whiskers touch, but she seems okay with it. Want a bit more? Yes, please. But if I leave the bowl there, she won't eat it. She'll just walk away. Just when you think she's about to walk away, you pull the bowl away, and then she'll come in for another run at it. I know, this time I think she's had enough. There she goes. Now what I'm going to do is see, I know, she sits still for a bit. I'll see if I can follow her up. Hello. A bit more? No. Oh, nearly. What if... No, she's... Sometimes, what she'll let me do is if I put some on the edge of my finger... Oh, now I've got it on my finger. Hang on, let's try this. Want some of that? Because the goal is, while she's eating, is to try and get as much into her as possible. So... So she quite likes to lick the food off the tip of my finger, and often I will end up giving her almost the whole bowl this way. And I don't mind. I know it's... Some people will say this is a lot of maintenance, but to be honest, it's really not much effort at all. It's a bit of time, and it allows you to bond with the cat too. So I'll probably be able to give her maybe another quarter of the packet just by doing this. Whatever she drops on the ground, the ants will eat, I hope. Dropped a bit on the ground. There you go. So when I puree this, I actually put a little bit of water in there as well. Just another way to try and keep her fairly well hydrated. Not a lot of water because you don't want to make it tasteless, but she likes it. Doesn't exactly make for scintillating viewing. But she'll get to a point where all these little licks will fill her up. This is what I did with Molly in her last few months of being alive. Except with Molly, I fed her the pieces on a toothpick one by one. That was the only way to get her to eat. She didn't... Well, I don't think I tried the puree method with her. She can see the bowl right there, but she's she would much rather do it this way. Too much on the finger. Slowly getting there. Oh, she's getting full now. She's full. Now I've got to wash this off, or maybe I should give it a lick and see what it tastes like. See you, Maggie.